Alright, so I just went in and saw this patient. It's the same complaint every month, and I don't know what else to do for the patient, honestly. So she is morbidly obese. She's almost 400 pounds. The other day she called. When I was on the phone with her, she was, you could hear the whistling sound. She was wheezing. She was so tight in the chest. So I went ahead and told her that I would love for her to call the ambulance because I'm not going to be able to come and see her. And even if I do show up to see her, what's the sense? You know, she needs to go into the emergency room to get treatment. So she told me that she's not able to call the ambulance. I said to her, why? She said because of her weight. She has called the ambulance before, but they weren't able to get her through the door so she could actually get her treatment done at the hospital. So I was like, okay. I said to her, well, my advice is for you to call the ambulance because you're wheezing. I can send medications to the pharmacy, but you're not gonna get it today. And even if you do get it today, based on how you're sounding, you need treatment now. So she said she's not gonna be calling them because, as I say, her weight, she's too huge, she won't be able to fit in the ambulance. So I said, okay, then fine, I understand what you're saying. So I went in to see her just a while ago. She sounded much better. She didn't go into the emergency room because, you know, as she said, she wouldn't be going because the ambulance service is not able to. I am very detailed when it comes down to certain things. I tell my patients, you know, whatever I tell my patients, I try to document it because I don't want it to be said that, you know, I didn't give them the correct advice. So, and the good thing about it is that a lot of times they will have a relative present with them. So if they're confused, I always try to get a relative with them. Otherwise, if nobody is available, then that's it. So I did told her about the benefits of going to the hospital, the risk associated with not going and all, and just document it.